I will show you how you can do this cool effect in Capcut. Silhouette effect. Let's start the tutorial. Add a video as an example. Now you'll see another video. Now remove the extra part of the video and make them equal. Select a new video and go to the Remove Background. Now select Auto Removal. It will take a minute. Now go to the Adjustment. Scroll down and reduce the saturation to -50. Now from here, select Curves. And drag the luma in a bottom right corner. Now adjust your clip and reduce the scale. Here you go. In this way you can easily make a silhouette effect. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel and like the video and press the bell icon.